And welcome back to Love Your Food. As you can see, we're not cooking today. We're not in the studio. We are in my studio. And I apologize for missing last week. We've had some family emergencies. We will not have a video this week, nor will we have a video next week, so I apologize for that. We will be coming back immediately after that with more recipes every week, just same place, same time, so please come back to that. If you decide you want to support us in some way, you can go to our Patreon. That's at patreon.com/loveyourfood. We also have an affiliate link. I've mentioned this all the time in the videos. I have an affiliate link with Chef's Temp, and they do kitchen thermometers and meat probes. They're really, really good. I've been using them while baking bread to make sure that everything's done before I take it out of the oven. And you can use the link in the description below. If you use code LOVEYOURFOOD on checkout, you will get 15% off your entire order, and it'll help support the channel. So if you're interested in giving us a hand, you can do either of those things, plus the easiest thing you can do, like and subscribe, and always, share these videos with your foodie friends, anyone who wants to try a new recipe they've never tried before, something interesting. We've got lots of recipes. We've got several years of weekly videos. There's certain to be something in there that you enjoy, that you will like, that someone hasn't tried yet. So, give it a look, see if there's something in there that you really want to try out. Send it to people you know, send it to someone who's trying something new, and see if there's something that you're interested in looking at. We have a bunch of recipes planned. I've been playing around with bread a lot, so we've got some sourdough recipes coming up. We just did one for naan recently, and we're also going to do one just on how to start a sourdough starter, because that's been a big thing for a lot of people lately. And we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff like that. So, take a look, see what you like, share it with friends, like and subscribe, and we will see you back here next week for more recipes, more videos. Not next week, the week after, my apologies. And we will see you soon. And remember to love your food.